We'll guide you through how to deploy a project on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. Once you're in, click on the Add New button at the top right corner and select Project. You'll then see an option to import a project from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Make sure your project is already hosted on one of these platforms. Click on the platform where your project is stored and authorize Vercel to access your repositories. After authorization, you'll see a list of your repositories. Select the repository you want to deploy. Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using and suggest default settings for deployment. If everything looks good, click the Deploy button. Vercel will begin building your project and you can watch the logs in real time. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a unique URL where your project is hosted. You can share this URL with others or use it for testing. If you need to make changes, simply push updates to your Git repository, and Vercel will automatically redeploy the latest version. It's that easy to keep your project up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.